So what are the tools we are using in OA?
So relational ghost software, and then crash, and then GOF, design patterns.
Okay. So in that, how you can identify the objects?
That is based on the applications. For example, if suppose a banking system means here in that banking system we are having different object system. For example, as a customer, okay, so the customer is one of the objects. So in this objects we are going to customer and then bank manager. Yes, so that is one of the objects, and then we are going to collect the information based on this objects. For example, as a customer means we are going to collect name, address, phone number. So these are the entities of that class. I mean the class here is the customer. Customer is a class, and then there is a name, address, and then phone number. So these are the entities of the classes. So another one, for example, as a bank manager means you can maintain all the documents about the customers. So that is the work of a bank manager. So this is the entity of a bank. So that is in your banking system as a customer and entity bank manager, and these are all just example of the classes.
So what are the tools you are going to do the connection between the bank manager, for your example, bank manager and the customer? So what is the entity we are using?
So here the entity is a relationship entities. Yes. So for example, as this is a customer, and under this customer we are using that is same like as a name, address, etc.
Okay.
So this is one of the classes. This is a class name and this is the entity. And then the another one is called as a bank, and that is a bank manager.
This is another class.
It is another class, and then now we are going to link with two classes. So we are using the that is we are connecting with the bank manager and then the customer. So in between we are using the relationship. It is called as a that is a generalization.
Actually, it is a single entity.
Yes,
The bank manager can conduct the number of customers. Okay,
Yes, sir.
number of customers can conduct the. So what are the employees available in the bank? Okay, so there is a single name.
Yes. This is a